it's Melody with Realty Executives Main Street, and I am here with Jeni Seiler today. She is with Paramount Insurance, and she is going to tell us all about insurance. I even gave her the title, Everything Insurancy, except health insurance. We're not going to go down that road today. Is insurance required? Is insurance required on all home purchases? And I guess what I mean by that is if someone pays cash for a purchase, or if it's a home that somebody's selling as is.
If there is a mortgage company involved, insurance is required. They require that to protect their interest in it. If there is no mortgage company and it's just a cash purchase, then that is entirely up to the homeowner. Of course, I would certainly suggest that that person get insurance, because your investment in your home, or even if you're flipping a home or something, that's a huge investment. Probably the biggest one of your entire financial picture. And it would be really awful to lose that to save a few hundred or a couple $1,000s to not have it.
The second question is, we have a lot of first-time home buyers, and so what is the process? Like, what documents do you need, or how does that work if you're getting home insurance for the very first time?
You make an offer on a home and you start working with a mortgage group, or even if you're not, you can call me or any other agent, or your mortgage group can contact me. We just need the information about the house and the information about you, and we can get a quote for what the coverages you need and the price that it would be. You do that a little bit before. Then your mortgage company needs documentation of that quote to put with the mortgage package that they send to their underwriters, and in the process of starting the mortgage. I work directly with them, so once you've told me that you want me to actually do your insurance based on the fact that it's actually your sale is going to actually, or your buy is actually going to happen, we do everything paperworky wise with the mortgage broker. So it's very easy for you. It's just a matter of, we do need your information at the beginning, and then we can work with them.
Is insurance coverage is it changed based on the type of home it is, like the ranch style versus a 2-story, or even square footage? Does that have any play into anything?
It doesn't have anything to do with the type of policy. Of course, it does on the cost or the price of the policy. A more expensive home, a larger home, is going to be more expensive to insure. That is one of the many factors that go into the pricing of the insurance. The pricing is based on the home itself, where it's located, whether it's brick or frame, how old it is, what kind of heating it has, but it's also based on the owner or the new owner and their history and their credit and all the previous claims, things like that. So there's a lot to go into it, which is why the pricing for two homes next door from each other that are very similar might be very different.
I know here in East Tennessee, there's a lot of times people will buy a lot and they're going to want to put a mobile home on it. Mm-hmm. Do you guys insurance mobile homes? And if so, is it a different kind of policy?
The policies are similar. It's just different companies, so they are a little bit different. But it's a mobile home owner's policy, so homeowners is the same. We're an independent agency. We have lots of companies for lots of different situations. So if you call me and you need a quote on a stick-built home, then I go to these companies with that. If you need a quote for a mobile home, whether it's brand new or quite old, then I can go to a whole nother set of companies.
How is the typical payment of home insurance structured? Is it something they pay every year, every month? And then also, you said earlier that usually it's built in with the mortgage and all of that.
It completely depends on how your mortgage is set up, or if you have one. If your mortgage is going to be set up to where they draw escrow every month out of your monthly house payment and put it in an escrow account then to pay the insurance once a year, we do that all the time. We also, if it's not set up out of your mortgage to do escrow, then we can bill you. And if we bill you, we can bill it annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, however you want to do it. If you want to do it monthly, we can even set it up on automatic EFT, so it just comes out. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to come to pay a bill or anything like that. But it's very, if it's on the mortgage, in the escrow, they handle it. If it's that the insured pay, you pay, then we have all kinds of ways to do that. You can get a bill in the mail every
There
month
you
and
go.
call us with a payment.
Or Sandy, you could even drop by and drop it off.
We love it when our customers come in, yes.
A typical home insurance policy. So a lot of times, first-time home buyers, they'll say, well, if the stove has a warranty and if the I don't even know, the refrigerator has a warranty and then they're destroyed, does the warranty cover that or does my home insurance cover that?
Entirely depends on what happens to them.
Okay.
If it's a sudden and accidental occurrence, then it's usually handled by your homeowners policy. If it is a maintenance issue or a wear and tear issue, that is handled by your appliance warranty or your home warranty. Homeowners insurance is, again, for sudden and accidental occurrences. The big ones, of course, are fire, wind, tornado, the water damage, those sorts of things, theft. Then there are a zillion other coverages that come in with a homeowner's policy. But those are for accidents. Your warranties on your appliances and those sorts of things are for maintenance, wear and tear, that sort of thing.
Yeah, I can remember, oh goodness, I guess it was about 8 or 9 years ago, we had major hail around here. So home insurance policies usually cover that as well.
You do not know how many people have new roofs because of that. It was awful that it happened, but it was great to see my insurance company swoop in and take care of people. So many people have brand new roofs, 2011. They sure do, and the companies were great.
They were. That's good to know, because I know a lot of, you don't, if you're new to the area, you may not think of hail automatically. It's good to just have that peace of mind, that security for a home insurance policy when it comes to that. Do I have to live in Sweetwater or Monroe County to use you guys?
Absolutely not. We have clients all over the region. We can write insurance for anything in the state of Tennessee. We have, of course, most of our clients are from Sweetwater, Madisonville, Monroe County, but we write a lot of insurance in Knoxville, Gatlinburg, Decatur, anywhere in the state. I have quite a few clients who used to live here and then moved to, say, Nashville, and we just keep working with them. Most of our companies with the great rates, the contracts are written based on replacement cost. So the coverage on your home is based on what it would cost to replace the home. We can get some policies based on actual cash value, but usually it's the best value is to go with a replacement cost policy. Actual cash value policies sometimes happen maybe with a home that needs a lot of work or something like that. But your mortgage probably will want you to have it based on replacement cost, and that's really the best policy.
What if I have had my house for 2 years and I have now acquired a boat, or I've acquired something a little bit more high scale than I had 2 years ago? Can I increase my home insurance? Do I have to wait till like a certain enrollment period or anything like that?
No. We are here to serve you at any time. So anytime you get a new toy or a new car, or we work with all of that. Some of our homeowners, we can add your ATV or your boat to the homeowner's policy. Some of them we would write a separate policy. A lot of our companies write homeowners and auto, so we can bundle them together and get a better price for you. So we always, when you call, we always look at all the companies that you qualify for to find the best pricing and the best value for you. Then we also look, is it better for both your home and your auto to be with one company or with two separate ones? Of course, we can do your home only or your auto only. We never require that. But we do, for your benefit, try to put them together to get you bundling discounts if we can.
Don't forget, if you would like to contact me, here is all of my social media accounts. I would love for you to reach out to me. There's also my email and phone number. If you know someone, or if you yourself is interested in purchasing a property or a home, or even selling your home or property, I would be honored to be your realtor. So feel free to reach out to me. And don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. Until next time.